there, baking enthusiasts! Today I'm going to walk you through how to bake a delicious cake at home, perfect for beginners, and trust me, you'll love it. So let's get started. First things first, grab 3 eggs. Crack them open into a mixing bowl and beat them until they're nice and frothy. Now slowly add a cup of powdered sugar. Keep beating until the eggs and sugar are completely mixed together. Next up, it's time to add some oil. Pour in 1 cup of oil and beat again until it's all well combined. This is going to make your cake super moist and delicious. Now, onto the dry ingredients. In another bowl, sift half a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Sifting helps to remove any lumps and ensures everything is evenly mixed. Gently combine the dry ingredients with your egg mixture. Beat it gently until you have a smooth batter. The key is not to overmix, just until everything is well incorporated. All right, now it's time to prepare your baking pan. Grease it well so your cake doesn't stick. Then pour the batter into the pan, spreading it out evenly. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius. Once it's ready, pop your cake in and let it bake for about 20 minutes. And that's it. Your home-baked cake is ready to enjoy. Let it cool a bit before cutting into it if you can wait that long. Thanks for watching and happy baking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes.